All right, doing a little bit of vehicle work today. What I realized when I fixed the power issue on my FX50 was that the hood did not stay up. Take a look for yourself. I'm used to actually having the support that actually comes out from right about here, lifts up and keeps the trunk, or not the trunk, the hood up, and it did not exist. So I'm thinking to myself, all right, how is this thing actually supposed to stay up? So my solution, especially when I was trying to fix the battery, remember from the previous video, was this piece of wood. So I figured it was worth a shot to actually fix that. So what I actually realized was that the supports, the hydraulic supports there and there, had actually gone bad. And so I would lift everything up and it would stay up, but after maybe about a minute, everything would kind of close on itself. So now it's a very, very different story. So if it doesn't close all the way, probably will. But when I lift up, it actually keeps going and it stays. So that was a nice, quick, easy fix. Ordered those parts from Amazon, about 30 bucks. They got here within a day or two, put those in. So now if I actually do any more vehicle work, I don't have to worry about the hood actually closing on my head. So that's the project for today. More in store with the Mercedes project. That one was a challenge, but stay tuned for that one. All right, more to come.